Have you ever experienced self-doubt? Like when you fail in every interview?
So you don't think I'm qualified for this job? So I'm not good enough?
You feel disappointed when people close to you don't understand you.
What do you mean by saying that? You're breaking up with me in this moment? I just lost my job and failed in every interview, so you're breaking up with me right now? I thought you were the last person who treated me like that. Why? I don't understand why.
You feel hopeless because you feel you are the worst person.
I don't deserve any happiness. It's me. Loser. It's me.
I know I was you, but let me show you something. Well-being might seem like a big word, and the idea of promoting everyone's well-being can feel overwhelming. You might think it doesn't concern you, but that's not true. A healthy lifestyle for any individuals involves daily self-care and doing things that makes you feel happy. Interacting with nature, whether from the personal perspective or as backed by science, is good for mental health. So we hope that if you are watching this video and have been or are dealing with self-doubt, please put those thoughts aside. Step outside to experience, to feel, to touch the energy from the nature. The nature cares about you. We care about you, so please take care of yourself.